Okay guys, welcome to our second video tutorial. We are going to look at how to get into the course and then manage the course. The course is going to be, so we will click here. Let me stop this. So this is what is going to happen. You are going to see all the courses here as we have discussed. You see the view also here. So you click on this is the recently accessed course. You click on view, or you can even go to the course itself and then click there. Now this is going to, whatever we are going to do here is only for this particular course. So if you have been enrolled in 2 courses, you have to do the same thing for the other courses. Okay, so maybe if you are teaching Form 1 chemistry, you will be enrolled in Form 1 chemistry and have Form 1 participants. Okay, so that's what it means. So when you come here and you click on this settings icon here, this icon here, those of us using mobile phones, you will find some icons that looks like this, some 3 bar icons. It's 3. It looks like this, but it's 3 on a row around the side of your screen. The first one will lead you to the home page, the sliding bar. So please explore it, and then you find some of the things that we are discussing here. So when you click on the settings, you see participants. So you can click here to view the participants of this course, that is your students. Okay, you can view all the participants here. So when you come here, you can even filter to pick the people that you want to check, and then pick by name and all that. So these are the participants for the course. Okay, so you can see you, the teacher, and then the students. So that is that for the participants. Then you can go back and look at our course content. Now with this course, once this editing, you see it on like this, it means that the editing is off. And when you see it off, it means that the editing is on. So at the moment, if you check, you realize that this is all you see when you click this. So the moment you start seeing something like this, you click it and you see something like this, it means that the editing is off. So to turn it on, you must click on this. Okay, so once you click on this, it should activate the editing mode for you to edit the topics. Okay, so, and please, this setting gear icon here, when you click on it, you see, you can see all these things here. If yours is not here, then you can find it here. Is somewhere around this side written options with a certain icon over here. So just take note. It depends on the type of device, your screen, and all that, and how it will appear. So once that is done, once you turn on editing, you realize that it is indicated off here. It means it is on. Okay, then you come to your general settings. Okay, you can change it. So once you come here, you realize that once the editing is on, you see the editing mode has been turned on, and you see something like add an activity or resource. So this is going to be your topics. You can make it topic 1. You can design it according to weeks. You can design it according to various topics, or you can design it according to units. Okay, so maybe unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. If you want more units, you can say add topics to this one. And then once you add the topic, you can create the topic as 5. Okay, and then you say add topic. And so once you do that, you have added 5 topics to the existing one. Okay, so it increments up to the last one. Okay, so that is that about that. If you want to delete the topic 2, of course, you can just right click here and say delete topic, and then the ninth one is expected to go. Okay, so that is how to take topic out of your topics, right? So once you are in editing mode, what is the general? The general thing is it talks basically about the course itself, what the course entails. Okay, so over here, once you click on this, you can click on this editing mode, not the announcement, but the first one, the first editing. You see, the edit is two. So click on the first one and then say edit section. Please, not this down one, but the first one, because you see announcement here, but we are dealing with the first one. So once you do that, then you can say you customize so that it will take off the general. Okay, so you click on customize. Once you click on customize, you can say it could be your course, the course. So let's say elective ICT. Okay, so you can put it this way. It could be your course itself. You can give your course name for maybe elective ICT for semester 2 or something. So once you do this, that is good. Then you can give a summary. A summary could be details about you, the teacher. Okay, so maybe your name can be here. Let's say you write your name, let's say your contact, let's say your email, every detail about you, and what the course description. Okay, this course description, you can even get it from the syllabus. Okay, so the course, what is the course about? What is the course seeking to achieve? Okay, so that is that with the course description. So just describe the course, put something there, so you can fill all this part. You can fill it, and then once you are done, you say save changes. Okay, so once you save the changes, so there you have it. You can see this elective ICT for semester 2. Okay, so once you come here, you click on, and this can be viewed by the students. This can be viewed by the students, so they will see all these details. Okay, then you come to the topic itself. So when you come here, okay, so over here you can even add that you can add an activity or resource by adding the syllabus, the forecast, your forecast, what you intend to do for the semester. So you prepare your forecast, you can add an activity or resource over here, where you would add a file. So this is going to be a file. You can go to file, once you click on your file, you would be greeted with this. So you can call it scheme of work. Okay, you can call it scheme of work. Okay, scheme of work, and then you can describe it if you want. If you want to describe the scheme of work, you can say course details or something. Basically, what the scheme of work is about, what is it about? Just describe it for the student to understand, and then you display it, the description. Okay, if you want to add the file, that is the, let's assume that this is the, you can drag and drop, but if you don't want to do the drag and drop, you can go through this file. You can go to file, and then you can upload the file, and then you can browse, then you can pick the file and put it in there. You select the file from your stuff and then put it there. The next thing also is that you can also drag the file. Okay, if this is the file, you can just drag the file and put it in here. That is also allowed. Okay, so let me just pick some file. Let me just pick some file. Yes, let me just pick some file and then put it in here. Once I put it here and it loads, it will show over here. Then I leave everything here. You can set some appearance, how you want it to appear and all that. You can explore that part, and then you save and return to course. Okay, so once you are done, when you click here, you are expected to see your file here as scheme of work. Okay, so the student, this is what the students will be seeing. The way you are organizing it, that is how the students are going to see whatever that you have done. So that is that about this part of it. Then you go to topic 1. Topic 1, of course, you can change this one and make it, you can edit it from here. It's two things. You can click on edit topic, and edit it from here, or you can change it using the pencil mark as I was trying to do. So you can make it say unit 1. You can make it unit 1. Let's say respiration. This was one of the topic that came up during the training. So respiration. So you describe, you give a summary of this one. Okay, just a summary if you like, and then once you give the summary, you can edit it. Let's say respiration in mammals. Okay, so you can just select this and bold it or italize it. You can format it anyhow, and then you click on save. So once you are done, you see that you have everything here set for you, and this is that respiration. You can just define that, but sometimes you just have to keep it simple. Okay, if you want to take this out, I was just trying to design it in such a way that it will look presentable for the students. Okay, so the next thing we can also do from here is to add something like an activity. Okay, so in our next video tutorial, we are going to continue on how to continue adding an activity to develop this content. Leave your comment and subscribe to the video, and I will see you in our next video tutorial.